Alright, put my settings back to normal. Trying to go for like a smoother hover and a smoother takeoff. You know what? Screw it. Gonna go back how I had it before. Nice, clean, hard takeoff. Put it right here. And balls to the wall. Old school way. Come on, no more thinking for you. Just go for it. There you go. The problem with this is you gotta treat her rough. She likes it. Keep it too easy. She behaves bad. Wants to be jerked around. Alright, let's get her close to the floor and keep her there. Now, you ain't touching the ground, but you're staying there. I know you want to, but no. Come on. Right there. Keep her in front of me. Come on. Show me I can hover you. Come on. Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. Don't touch the floor. I got you. I got you. Look at that. Like an inch from the floor. Come on, let's do it again. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. There you go. Windy or not, she's behaving. Right there, right in front of me. Come on. Don't go too high. I want you right here. Windy or not, you're staying right here. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Alright, it's not bad. Now with this thing pulling to the right, I'm going to do a quick reset and crank it up again. I think the fine tuning I just did might be the ticket. Alright, so 154. Okay, let's kill the gyro. Bring it back online. Okay. Now I don't have to turn my control off because they're married, so I don't have to worry about that right now. Oh shit, man. Crap. Stepped on a wet spot on the floor. Alright, let's see. With that setting, how she pulls. You should be pulling to the left. That's what I want. There we go. There we go. Good. So every time I reset the gyro, that's when the trims come into effect. Right there, I'm holding it slightly to the right. If I let it go, it'll pull to the left. So 1, 2. So when I reset it, it'll be perfect there. I'm not touching that anymore. Look at that. Okay, right there, I'm not touching the control. Spanking to the right, just as I thought it was gonna do. All right, come back over here. Got 1 minute 51 seconds. Don't go anywhere. I got your back. Stay with me right there. Hover control right there. Want to keep it that much off the ground just to say I can do it. Right there. Don't go anywhere. Stay right there. Yeah, I want to be able to do that without touching the control on 0 wind. That's my goal right there. Right now I'm slowly balancing her a little bit forward, a little bit back, keeping it down. Obviously what's making it go up and down is that hard breeze that keeps coming in from the storm that's coming. But as you see, I'm trying to keep her about 4 to 6 inches from the ground without touching, just to prove myself that I can keep her hovered good. Alright, now if I let go of the control, it should pull to the left and forward. Let me test that. There it is. Left and forward. Alright, so I gotta go back and right. Alright, it's a trick that Jeff taught me here. When you're about to bring her down, just kill the motor. That way you're not pulling any kind of negative force down onto the ground and it's a softer landing. Alright, so right there I went 1 and 1. Alright, let's see if should have a minute or two just to do a quick reset. Alright, let me put her balanced right there and do a quick reset. Bring it down. Okay. Now I should remember the settings that I just did. Alright. Okay, let's bring it back up for 1 minute and test my theory. Hopefully it should be 0 pull now. Okay, let me go ahead and bring her to me and level her. Come on, go away breeze. I can test this. Alright, there, I'm letting go of the control. As you can see, it still has a little bit to the right, but that could be the breeze, so I don't want to. What I'm going to do is probably change her direction right now. Oh, I think the battery's going. I didn't put the battery alarm this time. Yeah, that battery's going. Yep. Alright, should have put the battery alarm for that one, but that was good. That was very good. And now you gonna beat? Alright, let me disconnect her, put her away, and successful test. Come on. Get up. Reset. Off. And off. And I don't think I was recording with this one, so I'm just gonna turn that off. And just in time, I hear more thunder coming. So, somebody freshly cut grass, and there's grass all over the helicopter. Now I can say, hey, I cut grass with the helicopter. Alright, I'll review this video later and see how we did.